a young Himalayan griffon vulture began his migratory journey from the Tibetan plateau down to Thailand for the winter. Along the way, he got lost and ended up in Orchard Road in Singapore. Now, he was extremely weak and too exhausted to continue his journey. So we rescue him, bring him back to Bird Park, and nurse him back to health.
Now, unfortunately, Genghis here has suffered an injury that prevents him from being released back into the wild. Right, so now he is adopted in as a special member of our raptor family. Genghis, would you like to share yourself in front of everyone instead of hiding behind? There we go. Alright, so don't you think that this strong survivor definitely lives up to his name? The mighty Genghis. So let's give it up for Genghis, our Himalayan griffon vulture. All the way inside spring, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, eyes up on the screen. Well, that is a scene of chaos. A bunch of greedy birds competing and stripping a large carcass down to its bones.
Vultures, they are social species, and they respect their place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
And with that, let's welcome the first guest to the feast, the African whiteback vulture. They are the beloved that feeds on organs and flesh. They are also sociable and yet aggressive feeders. Now, once they reach a carcass, they will wait nearby before feeding. But once they get going, about 100 birds will gather for a meal and strip a large carcass down in less than 5 minutes. Now, once widely found in Africa, they are critically endangered and disappearing at an alarming rate.
Right now, moving on to the next cause, which is the height and ligaments of the animal. Ladies and gentlemen, enter the Cinereus vulture, our heavyweights from Europe. Now, unlike other vulture species, they are more solitary and prefer to feed in smaller groups, except when they are breeding and having chicks. So our big male right there, oh, look at that. So he uses his strong gripping feet and hooked beak to tear apart tough hide and feed on large chunks of flesh.
Well, Joe, don't we have another scavenger to join us on stage?
That's right, we do.
Ladies and gentlemen, eyes are right over there. And that is the marble stork from Africa. And they have death-like feet and stern old man face.
Now they coexist and cooperate with vultures, joining them in the east. Now, 11 species of vultures in Africa are responsible for cleaning up to 70% of the continent's carrier. And without these beautiful birds, we humans would be in a lot of trouble.
But all around the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcass, deforestation, electrocution, and superstitious belief. Many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts will be the only way to save these amazing birds from becoming extinct. So let us now give a round of applause to these amazing birds for keeping our environment safe.
Now today we have met raptors and scavenger birds. Are these kings of the skies and the walkers of our earth? They are all a part of our planet, part of our ecosystem. So if we were to lose them, we would be losing a part of our family.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming down to our presentation. Let us all learn to live in harmony with all predators on wings.
Now once again, again, thank you so much for joining us here today. Let me tell you about the next program. The last program that we have right here at Sky Amphitheater. That's at 5 p.m. Wings of the World, where you get to catch parrots on